Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another spelling and reading lesson? Before we start, I would like to greet all the grade 2 students, section KPA at Kapaluhan Elementary School. Thank you for always watching my lessons, dear students. Enjoy learning. Let's spell the word mother. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word mother in a sentence. My mother is loving and caring. Again, my mother is loving and caring. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word father. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word father in a sentence. My father is kind and strong. Again, my father is kind and strong. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word sister. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word sister in a sentence. My sister likes to play with dolls. Again, my sister likes to play with dolls. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word brother. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word brother in a sentence. My brother is good at playing basketball. Again, my brother is good at playing basketball. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word friend. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word friend in a sentence. I have a friend in school. Again, I have a friend in school. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word house. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word house in a sentence. Our house is neat and clean. Again, our house is neat and clean. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word library. Library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word library in a sentence. We like to read books in the library. Again, we like to read books in the library. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word church. Church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word church in a sentence. We go to church every Sunday morning. Again, we go to church every Sunday morning. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word market. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word market in a sentence. We went to the market yesterday. Again, we went to the market yesterday. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word fruit. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word fruit in a sentence. Apple is my favorite fruit. Again, apple is my favorite fruit. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. Mother. My mother is loving and caring. Father. My father is kind and strong. Sister. My sister likes to play with dolls. Brother. My brother is good at playing basketball. Friend. I have a friend in school. House. Our house is neat and clean. Library. We like to read books in the library. Church. We go to church every Sunday morning. Market. We went to the market yesterday. Fruit. Apple is my favorite fruit. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lessons.